Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the best budgeting apps for iOS or iPhone. So whether you're a beginner looking to get your finances on track or someone who wants advanced budgeting tools, these applications, which I will tell you in a bit, will help you track expenses, save money, and build better financial habits. Let's break down the top budgeting apps for iPhone. First one, we have Mint. It's one of the most popular free budgeting apps available. It syncs with your bank accounts to automatically track your spending, making budgeting effortless. Expense categorization helps you see exactly where your money goes each month. You also get bill reminders to avoid late fees and credit score tracking to monitor your financial health. One standout feature is personalized financial insights, which give you recommendations to save money based on your spending patterns. If you want an easy, automated way to manage your finances without paying for a premium application, Mint is a top choice. Secondly, we have YNAB, which also means you need a budget. It's a premium budgeting application designed for people who want full control over their finances. YNAB follows the zero-based budgeting system, where every dollar has a job, whether it's for spending, saving, or investing. Unlike Mint, which focuses on expense tracking, YNAB focuses on proactive money management, so you plan your spending before it happens. It also helps you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle by encouraging you to use the last month's income and current expenses. The app includes goal tracking, debt payoff planning, and detailed spending reports. YNAB requires a paid subscription, but it's only for those people who need structure and financial discipline in the long term. Number 3, we have EveryDollar. It's another great option created by Dave Ramsey team, which also uses a zero-based budgeting system. It's simpler than YNAB, making it beginner-friendly while still requiring you to assign every dollar a purpose. The free version allows manual expense tracking, while the paid version adds bank syncing and expense automation. One unique feature is integration with Ramsey Plus, which provides financial education and savings tips. If you want a structured but simple approach to budgeting, EveryDollar is a great alternative to YNAB. Number 4, we have Goodbudget. If you like traditional envelope budgeting, Goodbudget is the perfect digital version of that. Instead of linking to your bank account, you manually enter transactions and assign money to digital envelopes, like recent groceries and entertainment. It's a great option for couples and families, as budgets can be shared across multiple devices. Since everything is manually tracked, it helps build awareness of spending habits and encourages better money management. So if you want a hands-on budgeting experience without automatic syncing, Goodbudget is a solid choice. And last but not least, we have PocketGuard. It is designed for spending control. It connects to your bank account and calculates how much money you actually have left to spend after accounting for bills, saving goals, and essential expenses. The In My Pocket features gives a real-time breakdown of what's safe to spend. It also helps identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions to cut unnecessary costs. If you find yourself overspending every month, PocketGuard helps you stay within your limits. So, which budgeting app is right for you? Here's a quick recap. Mint is best for free automated budgeting and financial insights, and it's free. YNAB is best for hands-on money management and financial discipline, which is paid. EveryDollar is best for zero-based budgeting with a simple interface. It also has a free version and paid version. And Goodbudget is best for envelope budgeting, and it is best for family finances or couples. And it also has a free version and a paid version as well. PocketGuard, on the last, is best for preventing overspending and real-time tracking. It also has a free and paid version. So let me know in the comments which app you use or which one you're planning to try. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.